In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or replace shape color in Microsoft Word. If you have a shape in your Microsoft Word document and want to change its color, you can easily do this using the Shape Format options. This is useful when creating diagrams, posters, forms, presentations, or other documents where you want your shapes to match the overall design. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to change the shape color. Once the document is open, click on the shape that you want to modify. When you select the shape, Microsoft Word will display the Shape Format tab at the top of the window. Click the Shape Format tab to view the different formatting options available for your selected shape. Next, look for the Shape Styles section. Here, you will find several options for changing the appearance of your shape. To change the main color of the shape, click Shape Fill. A color menu will appear with different colors that you can choose from. Select the color you want to use. The shape will immediately change to the selected color. If you want to use a different color, simply click Shape Fill again and choose another option. You can continue changing the color until you find the one that works best for your document. You can also choose more fill colors if you want to use a specific color that is not included in the standard color choices. Next, you can change the color of the outline around the shape. Click Shape Outline and select the color you want to use. If you don't want the shape to have an outline, you can select No Outline. You can also adjust the thickness of the outline by opening the Shape Outline options and choosing Weight. This allows you to make the border thinner or thicker depending on the appearance you want. If your shape contains text, the text color can also be changed separately. Select the text inside the shape and use the Font Color option in the Home tab to choose a different color. Continue adjusting the fill, outline, and text colors until the shape has the appearance you want. You can use these options on different shapes throughout your document. This makes it easy to create a consistent color scheme and organize information visually. Once you're satisfied with the result, click anywhere outside the shape to return to your document. And that's how you can change or replace the color of a shape in Microsoft Word. Using Shape Fill and Shape Outline gives you control over the appearance of your shapes and helps you create a cleaner and more professional document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,